Hey, let me talk to you the way someone talks after spending weeks behind a screen that finally feels like it matches your standards. The first time you turn on the ASUS ROG Swift 32, it doesn't just look sharper, it feels like your entire setup just woke up. You sit there for a second, realizing this is what your games and your content were supposed to look like all along. This is for the kind of person who doesn't accept good enough. Someone who feels the difference between average motion and true fluidity. Someone who notices color accuracy, deep blacks, and that perfect balance between speed and beauty. If you're the type who wants a monitor that actually pulls you forward instead of holding you back, this is exactly where you land. Before you get carried away, check the current price and availability. Panels at this level bounce in and out of stock without warning. Think about that moment when you finally admitted your old monitor wasn't doing you justice. Maybe it was the motion blur you kept pretending wasn't there. Maybe it was those dull colors that didn't match what you saw in your mind. Maybe it was the brightness inconsistency during dark scenes. You tell yourself you'll upgrade later, until you sit in front of something like this and realize you've been limiting your experience for years. The relief hits you fast. Your games don't just look better, they feel different. The QD-OLED panel brings color depth that makes everything pop without oversaturating. Blacks become genuinely black, not muted gray. And motion starts feeling like a part of you. At 240 Hz, fast movement becomes instinctive. You don't chase targets, you glide to them. Picture it, you're deep in a competitive match and every frame feels crisp, predictable, and fluid. You're editing photos or videos and the accuracy makes your decisions clearer and more confident. You're watching a movie at night and the room disappears because the contrast pulls you right into the scene. If you're thinking about pulling the trigger, don't wait too long. High-end OLED panels move fast, and pricing shifts more than you'd expect. And yes, the doubts creep in. You wonder if it's too much. You ask yourself whether your current screen is still fine. But you know the truth, every time you compare it to something cheaper, you keep coming back to this, because you've outgrown the compromise stage. You want clarity, color, and motion that doesn't make excuses. The surprise benefit. The comfort. You don't expect the viewing experience to feel this gentle on your eyes. Long sessions don't drain you because OLED doesn't blast harsh backlight at you. It eases into your vision, letting you stay focused longer and with more energy. Owning a display like this brings a different kind of pride. Your setup looks more serious. Your creativity feels more supported. Your gaming feels more complete. You're no longer wondering what your screen can handle, you're finally seeing everything the way it was meant to be seen. The colors feel dangerously real, the motion sharpens your reactions instantly, the contrast makes every scene come alive, the clarity elevates your entire workspace, the overall presence makes your setup feel premium, brightness can dip slightly on full screen whites, price sits firmly in top-tier territory, but eventually, the comparison loop breaks. You already know this is the monitor you kept drifting toward. The one your eyes wanted even before your brain justified it. If you're ready to finally give yourself the display you've been imagining, check the link now and lock it in while it's available.